Today we were going to be working on numerical expressions. So after today, you'll be able to find the value of expressions using the correct orders of operations with exponents. Let's go over some vocabulary. So the number one vocabulary that I want you to go over is numerical expressions. So go ahead and write this in your notes. And what that is an expression made of numbers and operation symbols. Okay, so remember, math operations are add, subtract, multiply. A lot of times we're going to be using that dot instead, okay? And then divide. For dividing, it also might be like a fraction in a fraction form. Another vocabulary term that I'd like you to know is you'll hear us say order of operation, and that's the order that mathematicians all around the world use to simplify expressions when there is more than one operation. So that means more than, maybe there's addition and multiplication in there, okay? So we use this acronym to help us remember the order. It's called GEMDAS. What is it called again? I'm going to say that again, GEMDAS. So if you look right here, you can see I have GEMDAS. And how this goes, it goes from top to bottom. So we start with the G and then we work our way down. Now you can see the M and the D are together. That's because they go from left to right in the problem, okay? That's why we put those little arrows in there. So let's look. So G means to simplify expressions with grouping symbols. So parentheses, brackets, and a different type of brackets. And then we have E, which is exponents, which we worked on previously. Those are the ones with the little like square or cube. And then you have multiply or divide, and then we do that from left to right in the operation. So it could be division first and then multiplication. And then add and subtract is left, and then we go from left to right in the problem. So let's go ahead and do this example. So I'm going to find the value of each expression. So I'm going to look, and inside the parentheses is its own little GEMDAS. So I do see grouping, which is right here, okay? So inside the grouping, I see exponents and subtraction. So I could do a GEMDAS and write it down, and we go from left to right. Okay, so I see exponents, I'm going to circle that, and subtraction. So I would do exponents first since we go from top to bottom. And then outside the grouping, I do see exponents right here. So I'm going to circle that. I see division, and I see addition, and I see multiplication. So we're going to go from top to bottom. So let me go ahead and show you that. So grouping I'm going to do first. So I'm going to do the exponents first in the grouping. So I'm going to rewrite everything the same. And I'm going to do 3 squared, which is 3 times 3 minus 6. So then I do 20 divided by 2 squared plus 17 times 9 minus 6. And 9 minus 6 is 3. 17, and I rewrite everything the same. So I did my grouping. Now I'm going to do my exponents. So this is 20 divided by 4 plus 17 times 3. I can get rid of the parentheses. Exponents are done. Multiplication and division. So that goes from left to right. So I see division first. So I'm going to go ahead and do my division. So 20 divided by 4 is 5 plus 17 times 3. So I did my division. Now I need to do my multiplication. So 17 times 3 is 51. Then I need to add 5, so that is 56. My last example, I'm going to go ahead and write GEMDAS down right here. I know it's off to the side, but I can't write over there. All right, so I don't see grouping. I do see exponents. I see multiplication, and I see addition. So I'm going to go top to bottom, do my 6 squared first, okay? So 3, and then 6 squared is 6 times 6 plus 4. So 6 times 6 is 36. And then I have to times 3 plus 4. So exponents are done. Now I'm going to do multiplication. So 3 times 36 is 108, plus 4 is 112. So we were able to find the value of the expressions. Good luck using the correct orders of operation.